Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you what is preserve setting tab for iPhone camera. So let's get started. So let me explain you. It is very easy. So basically, it is a setting for your camera. Okay. So when you will just go to the setting, then you will just click on your camera. Then click on the preserve setting. Then you can just use your mode, whichever mode you are having, and when you will just enable your preserve setting, then it will preserve the setting for the next time as well. For example, if you have set live mode on this mode and preserve setting, then when you will just use your camera next time, it will automatically get on. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.